What to do if your Arlo camera not recording? Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. Today, we are here to present you with meaningful information on what to do if your Arlo camera not recording. So, let's begin with today's video. Here are some essential tips you should follow if your Arlo camera not recording. First of all, make sure your camera is placed in your Wi-Fi range. Now, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Otherwise, stabilize it using Ethernet cables. Further, power cycle your security camera and router. Double-check the camera settings and configurations before saving them. Confirm you have an adequate power supply and that all the wall outlets and power adapters are working properly. Check if your camera's subscription plan is currently activated. Carefully set the camera motion detection settings and rules. Remove all the physical obstructions like mirrors, heavy furniture, electromagnetic devices, etc. from the signal range. Reset your device if still not getting rid of this issue. In the end, we hope our video will be beneficial for you if you are facing the same issue. Still, you want assistance or are curious to know more? Reach out to us on our website mentioned in our video description.